to Kahoot game. Right now we are going to play, and this time you are going to refresh your knowledge and show me your knowledge on Kahoot. The sentences and the questions are connected with space. We have already talked about it. So could you please join? You will have about 20 seconds to join. Come on. 20 seconds to join. So try to do your best to join as quick as you can. So I see that Sevinch would join. Так, where are others? Come on. Okay, Hasiat also, Shahzada, and okay, and Shahruz. So I'm going to start. Iskandar, Tia, could you join? Thank no, poor internet connection. Sevinch couldn't. Iskandar, what about you? Could you join? Be quick. Так, okay, in 5 seconds time I'll start. Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So, go. Please show me your great knowledge about space. And the first question is as following. The Soviet Union launched the world's first artificial satellite into space in 1957. It was called, you should remember about the name of the satellite. So, and okay, all of you answered correctly. It was Sputnik 1, as you remember. So, and let us see who was the quickest. Hasiat, Shahruz, and Sevinch. Next question. In 1969, the United States landed astronauts on the moon. Which man took the first steps on the moon? Who was that? Try to remember about it. Yeah? I'm sure that you know about that person. Yes, it was Neil Armstrong, and the quickest. Let us see him. Okay, Shahruz, Hasiat, and Sevinch are the 3 best students right now. So how many people have walked on the moon? Did you remember? We've already talked about this, yeah? So, and 12. All of you answered correctly, and the quickest. The same 3 best students. Next one. How many different reusable space shuttles did NASA send into orbit over Earth? Okay, it was 5. 3 of you could answer correctly, and let us see. Hasiat, Shahruz, and Sevinch, and we do not know who was that. So, which US program helped pave the way for the International Space Station? And this is the last question, yeah? And we'll see the leaders. So it was Skylab, and let us see the leaders. 3rd place. Sevinch, cool. Next one, 2nd place. Shahruz, excellent. And the 1st place got? Hasiat. Yes, Hasiat, congratulations. Okay. So, we are going to move forward, and right now we are going to have flag flappers. I would like 2 of you volunteers to come, and you are going to compete. So, who want to participate? And Charlotte would like to compete with, okay, come on, Hasiat. So, girls, I will tell you 5 words that you are going to show. The first person to show, you can touch only once with your flapper, you know, yeah? You should tell me. You will be given 5 questions. So the first word that you're going to show me is atmosphere. It is? Atmosphere. Yes, but you should go and show. You should do. Yes, it's quickly. Atmosphere. Yes, right now. Next one is заново, сначала. Так, Shahzada. Good sport. Next one is Карликовая планета. Okay, yes, both of you answered correctly. Next one is гений. Okay. Next one is виртуальная реальность. Okay, next one is провал. Okay, and Hasiat, I got 5 and Shahzada 4. Good sport. Okay, thank you so much. It was really cool. So, right now, students, let us begin our lesson. New theme. Today we are going to talk about Culture Corner, and we are going to talk about NASA. So, could you please tell me what does mean NASA? Have you ever heard about it? What does it mean?
Space Administration Agency.
Agency. Is that a city in Kazakhstan?
No, in all the America.
USA.
Yeah,
In
but
the
USA.
USA. In the
The
USA.
United States.
So right now, aeronautic space, yes, agency. Okay, so right now what are we going to do? We are going to watch. First, we are going to be acquainted with new words, yeah?
Asteroid, asteroid. Equator, equator. Hardware, hardware. Mission, mission. Orbit, orbit. Rotation, rotation.
So, the test that we are going to do right after watching the video is exercise number 3. You are going to try to fill in the words into the correct places, okay? So, that's why it's really important for you to watch attentively. While watching, you can fill in. It's alright, okay?
Reaching for the stars. NASA, the United States National Aeronautics and Space Administration Agency, was created in the 1950s. Its mission was to lead the way in the exploration of space, both near Earth and beyond it, and in particular to transport people to the moon and back by the end of the 1960s. This ambition of President John F. Kennedy's was of course achieved in 1969. In fact, 12 astronauts walked on the moon during a number of missions between then and 1972. NASA is divided into 4 departments. The Aeronautics Research Division is concerned with improving transport into and through space. The Space Technology Department develops hardware, software, and machinery to improve space exploration. The Human Exploration and Operations Department oversees activity that involves people, including missions to the International Space Station, which is in orbit around Earth constantly. Finally, the Science Division helps to further understanding of the universe, including the Earth, which it studies by satellite. This division also includes the Office of Planetary Protection, and one of this office's responsibilities is defending the Earth from hostile aliens. NASA launches spacecraft from Cape Canaveral in Florida, which was chosen for its southerly position. Because the state of Florida is closer to the equator than most other US states, NASA rockets get maximum help from the rotation of the planet when they take off for space. However, NASA astronauts who are sent to the ISS now begin their journeys in Kazakhstan as the US brought its space shuttle program to an end in 2011. ISS missions now begin and end at the Baikonur Cosmodrome near Tayuratan in southern Kazakhstan. This is the same location from which Yuri Gagarin, the first man to go to space, began his journey back in 1961.
Okay, so I really hope that you have already filled, and let us check up. The first one, exercise number 3. The first one is, what's the? Exploration of space. Okay, number 2, Shazada?
It's Human Exploration and Operations Department.
Okay, Sevinch, please, number 3.
Science
Division. Okay, Shahruz?
Technology, space technology department.
Thank you so much. Hassia, please.
Official Planetary Protection.
Thank you so much, Dia. Number 6 is the Aeronautics Research Division. Okay, thank you so much. Right now, what are we going to do? We are going to copy out all the new words. And exercise number 2, it's on page number 106, will be your homework. You should try to copy out, and you should try to write down true or false or not given. Okay, all of you should write down. Next lesson is going to be now next week. Yeah, I will check up your homework. So you should know by how